Samsung Galaxy M51, Galaxy M31s with 64-megapixel main camera tipped to launch in June. Samsung is reportedly developing Samsung Galaxy M51 and Galaxy M31s smartphones for the market. According to a report, both Galaxy M51 and Galaxy M31s will come with 64-megapixel main camera, and the phones are speculated to launch in June. The report also indicates that the launch of M51 may get delayed to July due to production issues, owing to coronavirus pandemic. Samsung is yet to confirm the launch of the aforementioned smartphones, therefore, all the information should be taken with a pinch of salt. Samsung Galaxy M51 availability, specifications, expected. As per a report by 91 Mobile citing industry sources, Samsung Galaxy M51 is tipped to launch in late June in the country. It is also said that production of the phone largely depends on the ongoing coronavirus situation in India, therefore, the launch timing may vary depending on that. Further, the Galaxy M51 is said to come with a 64-megapixel main camera and feature an in-display fingerprint sensor. The Galaxy M51 is tipped to be a mid-range phone, however, the report does not highlight the price details. Earlier this month, a separate report had indicated that the Galaxy M51 is essentially a rebranded version of Samsung Galaxy A51 with some hardware and design changes. The phone will reportedly come with 128GB onboard storage. To recall, Samsung launched the Galaxy A51 in India in January. The phone features a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Full HD+, 1,080x2,400 pixels, Infinity-O display and is powered by Exynos 9611 SoC, coupled with 6GB of RAM. The Galaxy A51 also packs quad rear cameras. Samsung Galaxy M31s availability, specifications, expected. Similar to the Galaxy M51, the Samsung Galaxy M31s is tipped to feature an in-display fingerprint sensor and a 64-megapixel main camera. The phone is expected to launch in the first week of June, however, the pricing has not been highlighted. An earlier report had also claimed that the Galaxy M31s will be shipped with 128GB onboard storage. The phone is tipped to be an upgraded version of Samsung Galaxy M31. It is also rumored that the Samsung Galaxy M51 and Galaxy M31s will reportedly carry the model numbers SM-M515F and SM-M317F, respectively. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.